Hi guys, I'm here. It's Monica again. Remember to like, subscribe, and give us a comment because today is going to be some juicy information coming from Dawn Lane, our Feng Shui Master in finances and life goals. Dawn, what do you suggest for this year and coming years for investments and growing your money?
Thank you, Monica. Well, with Feng Shui, I think, the more we are clear on what our goals are, that we can apply them to the space that we live in. But through the art of Feng Shui, I've been doing Feng Shui 30 years now, it's allowed opportunities to come into my life because it becomes a way of life. Through the art of Feng Shui, you're able to obtain, not only manifest finances, but what your relationship is, where you see yourself. And right now, we're in a time of manifesting. During this time, we're in a pandemic. 5 years ago, I added financial services to what I do. I do have a real estate background in investing, but through the art of finances and learning about how money works and how money works for people and communities in general, I've been stepping out into the community, working with our local businesses, our local communities, and our community centers to help the people in our communities learn about if they need help with their student loans or their credit card debt. That's basically what I've been focusing on, and through helping my clients that are already doing the Feng Shui with me. That's about it.
Okay, thank you very much. And guys, this is Monica coming to you from Santa Ana, California. And this is Dawn Lane. You can follow her through Feng Shui Dawn on Facebook.
On Facebook and Instagram. And then I'm also under Recruit 1099.
Okay, thank you, Dawn. Bye. Love you guys.